Hey, Human. Welcome back to another glimpse into my morning routine. Today, I am excited to share why I adore my routine and how it sets the stage for a productive day ahead. I love to read these nuggets that just sets the pace for my day. Today's nugget is from Psalm 46, verse 1. It says, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in troubles. And I believe it. Absolutely. I do. I kickstart my day with the cornerstone of my routine, which is morning devotions. Starting my morning with the Word of God is crucial for me. It sets the tone and helps me align my spirit for the day ahead. And I just love seeing a clean bed, clean room. It is so peaceful, tranquil. Honestly. Next up, I dedicate about 15 minutes to spinning exercise. It's a fantastic way to boost my energy levels and get my body moving bright and early. Now, I do not put too much pressure on myself because I just need to get my body moving. So, that 15 minutes is absolutely okay. So, fueling my body with wholesome goodness sets the foundation for a day of vitality and productivity. I actually marinated my carrots overnight, so it's basically carrots, olive oil, onions powder, homemade by the way, salt, black pepper, black pepper was coming, and that's it. I marinated this, kept it in the fridge overnight. I already have a salad prepared. I have cooked my quinoa, ready to mash this up together. So, this is my healthy fuel. I whip up a delicious quinoa salad with grilled carrots for a nourishing breakfast. Humans, why don't you have an air fryer? It saves your life, literally. It saves time. My goodness, you don't have to be in the kitchen forever. And I have my watermelon juice. Sometimes I prefer to eat the watermelon as a whole, but today we're making juice. Alrighty, let's combine all of this together. So here's my quinoa, cooked and ready for this salad. To my bowl, I bring in my salad. This is a vegetable salad I named after my mom, so it's called a Mariamu veggie salad. And our carrot is grilled. So you put that together and that's it. Effortlessly. Yeah, effortlessly. All right, let's grab a cup of tea, herbal tea. all the ingredients came out of my backyard garden. Yes, you heard me. Homemade recipes are just the best. You should give it a thought. After my workout, I fixed breakfast and it's time for some self-care. I indulge in my skincare routine, followed by a refreshing bath and a touch of makeup to feel ready to conquer the day. I will take you through all of that. Now, let's see this routine. So I love to start with this barrier toner. It's a salicylic face toner, perfect for someone who is looking for safety per se. So after I rub that in, I also dab it in. I press it in. I always love to nourish and moisturize my lips with the barrier lip balm. I made a miracle and I put it in a tube. The best face moisturizer you will come across. So basically this is skincare and glam. Do not forget to wear a sunscreen. Whatever you do in this life, do not let anyone tell you that sunscreens are not made for black people. I like to apply that on my hands since I will be driving. So here's a fun fact about me. I like to pray when I'm in the shower. Ever wondered why I love to pray while showering? I'm thinking to myself right now. It's a unique practice that keeps me focused and centered. Prayer for me is the key to navigating life's journey with grace and purpose. Let's do this! I absolutely love how my morning routine keeps me on track and sets me up for success. If you're looking to boost your productivity and start your day right, I highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Here's to a day filled with productivity and positivity. Let's make it count. That's all I have for you today. Let's check out this hashtag. Hashtag morning routine. Hashtag productivity hack. Hashtag start your day right. I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye!